Amazon rainforest, a place of unparalleled beauty and mystery, spanning over 6.7 million square kilometers. It is home to some of the world's most diverse and fascinating ecosystems, and yet it is also one of the most threatened. The Amazon is a place of incredible diversity. It is home to over 30,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, and to 0.5 million insect species. It is also home to some of the most endangered species on the planet, including the jaguar and the pink river dolphin. The river itself is the lifeblood of the forest, providing water and nutrients to the thousands of species that call it home. Despite its importance, the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation rates have increased dramatically in recent years, with over 17% of the forest already lost. This is due to a combination of factors, including illegal logging, agriculture, and mining. The effects of deforestation are devastating, not only for the wildlife that depends on the forest, but also for the indigenous communities that call it home. These communities have lived in the Amazon for thousands of years and have a deep understanding of the forest and its importance. They rely on the forest for their food, medicine, and cultural practices. However, their way of life is being threatened by the destruction of the forest. Despite the challenges, there are also many people working to protect the Amazon. Conservation initiatives are being undertaken to protect the forest, and reforestation efforts are helping to restore some of the areas that have been lost. Sustainable agriculture practices are also being developed, allowing communities to make a living without destroying the forest. Wildlife reserves have been established to protect the most endangered species, and ecotourism is providing a sustainable alternative to destructive industries. By supporting these initiatives, we can help to ensure the Amazon's future. So what can we do to help? Simple changes to our daily lives, such as reducing meat consumption and choosing sustainable products, can have a significant impact. We can also support organizations working to protect the Amazon and use our voices to raise awareness and demand action. The Amazon is a truly remarkable place, and its importance cannot be overstated. By working together, we can ensure that it continues to thrive for generations to come. So let us remember the words of Chief Seattle. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. It is up to us to protect this precious resource for future generations